Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we will work on the card with an image. Okay, so first we will start with the HTML and then we can add Tailwind CSS classes on it. So what I can do is I will comment this example, okay, because we have already done card with no image. Now I will do card with image. So here I will add a div, and inside div I will take an h2 tag. So this will be card with image. Okay, then we will have p tag with some dummy text, so lorem 10 and tab. Okay, then we will have an a tag. Okay, so with href equals to hash, because we don't want to link it to anywhere. So here I'll write read more. So this is a kind of link which you can give. So as you can see, we have card with image, some text, then read more. Now we will add the classes, Tailwind CSS classes in on the parent div. So here I will write class equals to, and we can give bg wide. If I save this, you will see the difference here. Okay, you can see it is refreshing. Then we will add padding 6. If I save this, you will see the padding 6. Then we will have rounded LG. We want the corner to be rounded. Okay, then shadow LG. If I save this, now we have a rounded corners on all the side and we have a shadow as well. Now we will add the class for h2 tag. So class that is going to be font bold. Then we need margin bottom 2. If I save this, you will see the difference. Once I save, then you can see the difference. Then we will increase the text size to 2XL. Then the color of the text will be gray 800. Save this, and now as you can see, we have added the text size and the color. So that was for h2 tag. Now we will style the p tag. So class that is going to be text gray, let's say 700. Okay, because here we have kept 8, so here I'll reduce that to 700. Then we need some margin bottom. Okay, so margin bottom 2, save, and as you can see, we have styled this p tag. Now let's style the read more text. So class that is going to be text blue, and I'll take 600. If I save this, I took this blue color because it should look like a link. You can maybe take 500. Okay, so whatever the link color you want, you can take it. Then we need as this should look like a link, so I'll take underline. If I save this, now there is an underline. Then we need text size to be small, so now it is looking much better. Now you can add an hover effect. Okay, so what I can do is I'll just put an hover let's say no underline. Sorry, this is underline. Save this. If I hover on it, let me refresh it. Now as you can see, that underline is not visible when I hover on it. Okay, it's gone. So, and you can even change the color. Okay, if you want, you can change the color as well, but I think this is better. So now we have done the styling, but now what we need is we need an image, because this is a card with image. Okay, here inside this div I will take an image tag, and source will be, I am taking the image from a site called Pixum. So I'll write https colon slash slash, then pixum dot photos slash id, and id is 1. Okay, you can add whatever id you want. There are many images on this website, so I took id 1. This will be 600 by 1200. This is the size of the image dot jpg. Okay, and let's add an alt tag. So alt tag will be like, this is image of an office, so like a PC. Okay, so office desk, and if I save this, you will see we got this image. Okay, but if I change this id to 2, the image will change. Okay, so whatever image you want, you can take. This is just an example, so I'll take first image. Then, as you can see, there is an overall padding of 6, which we don't want. I want this image to be stick to the edges. Okay, so let's remove this padding 6 from the parent div. If I remove this and if I save this, now as you can see, all the content is sticking at the edge, but we want only the image to stick on the top and not the content. So we can give a padding to only this content. Okay, so what we can do is we can wrap this h2 p tag and a tag inside a div. So let me take a div. Okay, let's cut this div and I'll paste it here after the a tag. If I save this, now if I give a class of padding 6 here and if I save this, now as you can see, we got a padding of 6 on this content, okay, and not on the image. So that is what we want, and our image gets that edge to edge look, which is really nice. But the image does not take the rounded corners of our card, which you can see here. This card is rounded, but the image is sharp. So we want the rounded corner on top left and top right. Okay, let's say if I give a class in this image tag, rounded LG, and if I save this, now we are getting the rounded corners on top left and top right, but even we are getting on top bottom left and bottom right, which we don't want. We don't want this rounded corners on bottom left and bottom right. For that we need to add rounded hyphen top hyphen LG, and if I save this, now as you can see, this rounded corners have been removed from bottom left and bottom right, and it is only on the top left and top right. And then one more thing which we can do is we can set the width of this card. Okay, because if I increase this, as you can see, this card is getting larger. So let me make it small. So for that we can add a width of, let's say, half. Okay, which is 50%. If I save this, now the card is smaller. Okay, so this looks much better. Okay, so we have a card with image, and here for responsive you can do one thing. You can, for mobile, you can give a width of full. So let's say if I give width of full, and if I save this, sorry, yeah, let me remove this first. Okay, width of full is, this is a mobile first. Tailwind is mobile first, so it will take this class in mobile. Okay, it will apply this class in mobile, and if we want this to be changed in desktop, so we'll do medium and then with half. Okay, so in desktop version it will show half. Okay, it is 50%, but in mobile it is 100%. So this is something which we can play around with it. Now one last thing which we need to do is we need the label. Okay, like this h3. So here I will add that label, so h3 tag, and inside I will write card with image, and we need class which is font bold, text small, text gray, 500, same classes we want. Okay, and if I save this, let's see, card with image, but here I have forgot to add second, and even we want margin bottom, which is, let's say, 2, right? Let me uncomment this and let's see. So this was card with no image, this is card with image, but there is a gap. uh, this is sticking to each other, so let me do margin top 5. Okay, so this was card with no image, this is card with image. We can do a margin bottom of 4, and here also margin top of 4. I think margin top of 5 is better and margin bottom is okay. So this is it. This was card with no image, this is card with an image. So in the next video we will see how to create horizontal card. Okay, so this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.